Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina. This video shows the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
Today we start our trading with the amount of 100 euros. And let's see what happens. So let's get started. The first thing we are doing is starting with the set out our workspace. So the amount of our deal will be 100 and time of the deal is 1 minute. So let's go to the settings, 1 minute, and we will use concept hours for trading, exactly 7. And you can see them. So we used our technical analysis and 2 indicators. So bulls power, let me show you the settings. So this is a simple and effective analysis tool, if anything. So this indicator allows you to determine the mood of the bulls, that is an upward trend. Most often it's used in conjunction with an oscillator, which we will use. So very simple for understand. Bulls power indicator analysis, the strength of the buyers, and bears power analysis, the strength of the sellers. So this is how 2 indicators work. So 13 period, you can set up as you wish. So and I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find the link to the Telegram in my under the video, and there you'll find many useful information about trading. So we start our session with the first concept bar. Here we are. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. So what we see by indicators, we see bulls. Bears are growing and some uncertainty in bulls. So I think it was pullbacks, and bears are in the growth position. And we open up as we see that we have growth. So uptrend. We have 11 seconds until the end of our deal. Zoom it. At this moment we are above our points. It's okay. And yeah, plus deal, $185. Good enough. So here we are in the next concept. Open up and we start our technical analysis. What we see? We see the first thing we do is highlight the support area as well as the resistance area. Here we see that we reached the support area at a given point, turned around, then almost until now turns around again for the second time. Thus we have developed this moment going to our resistance area, to which we have identified. So thus, as a result of this signal, we open our position. As I repeated, we're in increase, that is for an upward trend. Here we have a general downward chart. Let's see. Quite good, pleasant situation. This is what is happening. We have a very strong growth. So profit is $86. And let's move on to the third concept bar. And here we are, up and down. and start our technical analysis. It was 3 green candles before, 2 of them were quite large. Often after such a sharp and large upward trend, or vice versa, a downward trend rollback occurs here. After all, there is also a rather rough downward trend. There will be a slight pullback, but the drawdown will continue. There's quite a sharp increase here. Again, follow up small drawdowns. Also, here we have quite a big growth. So by indicators, 2 indicators in the down position. So drawdown is here. Let's see. 9 seconds left until the end, and we see that technical analysis show the complete correct situation. Yeah, plus deal profit is $87, and our balance is $358 exactly. And I remind you about my YouTube channel. You find the mini videos about trading. Subscribe. And you understand how to work with indicators and find signals. So let's move on. To the next concept. Open up and we start our technical analysis. So what we see here, some consolidation we see, highlight this, and support area. We have a shadow relative to the candle. In this way, we are more likely to go up. We relatively no longer look at this candle and do not count on it, since at the end of this candle we have approximately 20 seconds left and 57 seconds until the end of the deal. So, but while we are in the process of creating a drawdown, our 2 indicators are also in a state of drawdown. Let's look. Excellent, our chart began to grow and grew quite strongly until the end of the deal. Yeah, plus deal, profit is $87. Let's increase the amount of our deal to 445 and try to realize this large amount of the next concept. Here we are. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. We see a trend is generally upward. Also in the last period we had a fairly large drawdown. Fortunately, this large drawdown ended for us and an upward trend began. Good. Shadow, a huge shadow below. At a minimum, I'm counting down to about the level of our resistance from the level of which I have highlighted at the moment. So, our indicators, 2 lines at the upper position. Look at the top position, so it's good. Yeah, that's what happened. 7 seconds left. So good growth. We are above our opening points, yet this deal is plus. Good. Our balance is already 832. Reminds you that all deals you'll find in my Telegram channel. So let's reduce the amount of our deal to 115. Let's no longer take risks and yeah, let's move on. So here we are in the next concept. We will open up. We see something. General trend is up. It's natural that now there will be a market recovery uptrend. That's the trend is restoring the so-called trend that upward trend also according to our indicators. Drawdown due to the fact that we have shadows formed as well as a red candle in the last range. So let's see. For 10 seconds left until the end. Yeah, chart in the drawdown, but it's more likely to go up. Yeah, good. As I said, the profit is 130. Let's move on to the next concept. And let's open up and then we will begin our technical analysis. At this point, if we select an area, support and resistance area, we see that we are quite close to the area of resistance. We are moving especially into the last range and we have such a sharp upward movement. Yeah, uptrend. So what we see here more, two indicators, our two indicators, bulls in the growth and bears are in the drawdown. So we opened correctly, I suppose. 9 seconds left until the end. Yeah, we will remain strong growth. Yeah, excellent. Plus deal, our profit is 136. So let's finish our trading session for today and we sum it up. The first thing about our balance, it was $100 at the beginning of the video and now we have more than $1,000. We increased our balance at 10 times. It's very good. It was 1 minute time frame, 1 minute of the deal. We used currency bars. The payout percentage everywhere is more than 70% at the moment. We also use technical analysis tools. Bulls power and bears power. Yeah, these settings, you can copy it, different colors, and bears power. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.